Aya. Neya saya. Neya saya. Kai, der ya samson was zo bun kum da katana start programa. Amini nya sham akai. Wala kai yarwa gwa. Nebi yukubuloti gubu. Zo yuma kolarizari. Yamani na chinse kanyukule hale tuterele mamani niyai. Nyama songwe jilma. Kapo ujilma. Kale jamali kature ninkura. Ngamde gangani. Kabwara yunda kamina vyalem zoya. Wayuyu. Hey. Neya saya. Besar mene dede. Kaya neya saya. Kabesane dede. Kaya ne Mea. To zungo dabsele wati ayan launchila alada new slogan. Ayan launchila yupal mpa yuya mazo. Amete kumela yesaya de na bien me. Kache mea karabiane. To pupo wati ya la shell pahe. Dire nye katini nili. Mea katini nili. Abaya. Tinne zuma dabsele ngoma ya. All right, quick one kan ku bord nan kpole. Tuli pabu katiyen zantin na gang na tamlana. Jabaru na gang kudura na tamlana tehne morlana. Ngun sumina zaha ngun kadari yapune kakam katananda te paaya. Simple and straight. Zongo programa den nan kasa hama be ntama maya unko en kpole makata wable zan chanya de zongo yulumbo no Muhammad Hafiz aka G-Face shi tobina nyasi yang bletin be debka bizan karasu goble bomberle ne torle anabo no hungar ka wari ya pupa native zo nchaka so palgara karmalla nyela ko nyuro chogole chaka ya te ga ka bangna bi ne balama atuzo ayanga apon zoksum native zo birgoma o chan makajir annabi sufa shifa biam bia karapuni nudurgu zo to gbla alqur'ani nuzazo katagb kavana kan alaya dinya shambala ka TV station ngoma yulubo na NTV North TV mbalama okay ka program ma mi yulubo na denchana selmin sinyal na trended GG kama ne pun yala ma ya zawun na pa ne jia zungu program ma bala takar yankana one man yela ya mala special interview kan yen non straight out a Italy yang tang banne kam mint mabipo hayen yo taba o yilimo no Nasken official o da drop la yille ka bolle la particular yile ma ne heaven fu kala yile ma ka feature ya pono ya one of the greatest rappers we have in Ghana ko feature la particular yile ngoma pono ya te mabima bia la kantanga Italy yang dundon pono balama but bukata bia ne temino po hayo taba ka to drop la video ngoma pe zongo ya all right dene ne yenye one katanga ya kana che second interview ma yenye la dene another great talent of a singer coming through from K-Town balama okay o yilumbo ne deal ko drop yila ka bolle na anthem la particular video ma gwa tien drop le muzungo on the show all right man pun yala yezungo tre katizang na bo and another one is coming through Fadlan is coming through with a very great artist the interview bien makati en nzongo ya but before kala interviews ngoma za hanana ya dagbang pambe yen na bandan Canada parin do solnia no guma cho porcelo min ni shele okay nina ko borna yala shele mamma mina guhur min la yitu aluma in yalle bad dalir shel de bien makambu borna yalle la yitu aluma ama program ma ni chankantan pashama ama nan yalle ni yamang la ne bien ka fizu kan yalle hal ni nkura be biago pune ka batab yalle ba yitu akaba zilsir ka fizu ti yalle ka blah yalle nan gbanchini ka fare wumpinin bala so dit nan ka yitu ayina especially dit gender kama yila yitu abi dema yitu a nirbu pamto gbla yamangle ne man kama ni yaldi yamangle na min nan tala ka tarango ma ya ka jir kardi be galsiti di pashala sahan to bian sahashanga ba jirin na de be galsiti voro la halkal kan na kama tinji zaman shalango be sahashalango awum ya ne audio shalina kala audio ma ka zelsugo be repunu wo kama ne a fans gadamu yin yila la nkura mbalanda pa hal kartije no lola nol daba yo point pa ma yurlam zo ka pa ma ba sa'ara bi pombel ma no yul Mona Lisa agbaya ntahtin na ci sahshal ngula yitu aman trendera de chankantan pam ka radio presenters ka TV presenters ka pundits entertainment critics banem min ban makana ce shahna fan base nama ka ba char yitu ama pune karanyala most of them charla yitu ama pune ne jilensi jilin sama tere be galen de ba to ama ba charla pune jilin sia ka por na wona de pune kana won pom ma nyama ni ku kwal shel bon wum de la audio ma pune ma ne fanse gadam ku kwal mbala halka por de na wone te ka problem na ji ka ze na ji bad aji ka ze na mi me tenan chimpanga bad aji ka ze na mi ma halka te por na won to ku understand na on so am por ma ya ki yang den labo tiza hanna won la to bin chaka zo piare tien yela ma yamang la ka bora ka di ka zasi azasi ka di hale yelle Facebook ka nirbi ter message ni ma bumbo numa a credibility. That's why I don't like listening to you. Hey, appeal aside bumbo numa la particular whole story ma de pala so yelle wo ma donc status so phone halenten nasham de lan zangle mana ntuku nyengo ma hal min voso mun yarna la yitu alama miyo amma nirbayi yulbiala rapune karana ba sai nati yihla la yitu amana pam because they say woman involved pa bien me kana ti lala nirso ngun kuhre ka lor nwel ngo ona ban nan su tene noto yina po anzorti yale manen nan delema because vibiala rapune demi simsin ne tagba protecte o ni salsele kana ba sangle nati yale bi kan nyale antil ko yada bien kamania vima ne chen sham kan ni sal ne porna wona ma ne yale nta hadan na gbobi katana ba sang de la na piembala but niveau so ngun startele ka audio ma recordi pa ma ne mbosham bula kula kara nang ma ngum biene zungo dabselo kan de bor na minu po hayuta but unfortunately o changla kra ka minu po hakuto yuta ba ogbama al kawle ni na wonni zarti nye ve paga atalata de o promise mama no kana on kana ngunni kana studio ngo pu ni tie mela audio ne mazaha kata pictures ban gride le sham ban porle sham te tata al hale karteng man fanse gadama dendalma tie nang le meti ibam binye yamang le kapor na on kati yele jema ki ban iyen no sham luno e kana on che italia kafara gbaya ama mbor na na chilela argument ma hal radio presenters I mean what's that sham mer nang ban tinu fanse gadam bala o pobun ya kase o pongo sokuto ngba ba jiri on hal double team bala ko chang la video live ntene fanse gadam ne sokuto ngba jiri. If you want to make your page popular, do that in another angle. But don't force people to believe in the lies. It is very simple. Don't force people to believe in the lies. Especially, bupun yarme kamane young musicians ma, isokuto sustain unless controversies. Ibi kuchiri ka la bantana ki ri kapole nzang zorganda. Yila nam kabaya ni mi karanyanga. Ibi le rebehma small boys ma fadlan mungu shalma. Do they dwell on the controversies before they are getting there? Last week manda yele to akaba yele to hal gbala al kawle yimbe yele. And the pain is that a colleague artist Don Sally is preparing an album, a very rich album, maturely written and produced. We're just talking about that album. You guys brought up a leak audio. Help him for a sex video, nama sex picture, nama. Nzana fancy gara mi makasio nang de pune. Just to render that project Don Sally is coming through useless. Ka presenters ma ki bache that precious time on radio to discuss la particular album and the future for northern music ki zan discuss France gadam audio ka por na wona karanye shire kati yele yaji why bordan ne ibor na nabshi na ti yele kama jiran bala ka mu France gadam ma is not because France gadam is a close friend ka ngunum bala I know him ka yele ya ka ngunum bala ki por na wona halka te turti to now ne ta jamal na atalata del studio ngone ka te pien ya zale ki lono ya iban pompo na una ma izan na li tergwa sono ko wora amila e yang afam bala ka fu gusel nan pu ka dago bai man pun yale ya talata dale den dala ka ti yen welga banchi ka chinuya. You guys need to learn your job. Agbaya, and those of you igban nang is on a tree because it dwell a musician ma. Both fans gadam mi makasi fan base ma. Iban lose its sense of thinking because it dwell a artist ma. I have seen that nirbe chang mate kwa makasi picture and greedy so zan nang de pune kay na makasi sex video leaky just because be the fans gadam audio leak me. Is that a good way to go? Your images have been put out there in the name of leak videos just because ibor me ni lapse other camp ma. Look at what they are doing to their images. These are people, them builder and brands mark, Kabato represented Northern region. They were ambassadors just yesterday. Kitizan and the leak sex bin yara. You think they to me? Anything that you put up on social media, I reserve them ma. Dem labna. Dagbang pamba yan na tembi na won yelo labna di pashala ku bongo me. Zomini yan no yan dulna sar na won ya ku ma ye manga. Ay wi nyon fia. O en telegro nyirfo ango. Nzang pa soksa. Ka dulungo le vieux man zaha ko fia. Bogoto ngo shebi shiome. Injulu mo Muhammad Hafiz kama nepo yala ma man yala yetemala 3 interviews ngoma dun kunyala by the way just because tamale warba yala ne to kushini yongo ya katabo ne tinni ni le son man yala yela ban ma nguna apor na won ne fanse gada voice mbala to amin na won yala mbala ya all right tiyen chele mesel kan de talan kalabna ne labna man pu yala yemala 3 interviews nan one interview ma na yala den yen jiteme kul itale yang dun don punia nasken on drop yele kabole ne heaven fuma den katien dropi and the second interview ma kan na ya yes BW Benimana Kabobolo ni DL o drop la yila kabole na anthem straight out a K-Town music kambalama de batien drop le meteya kananti farlan minu yama gwane perna na drop video full pack house today on Dinchana cha ande talang ma kalabna ya okay menazin food spices na Mali Stops Ghana nte pa supernatural green tea en de la talang ma na labna
baya suro le ya babbe punu matama bro nang musuro dem paga kaso yisile nyale dem solo dem paga pumpong aha ye wonde tablin solo pam buharam na boti kandire mutu buharam ba selma banzurgo lala wuma shilma de yala jijijiya de yala mina zain food spices de no de la sungo maza nyamngo de yala chicken flavor mina zain fish flavor mina zain jollof flavor tongo de yala lion nutmeg powder ngodin de ne pahe anya shilma bakam sheminazin food spice den den biya ban zirga den yan ko habe yan dane so kam yan dila ban zirgo ka file ban zora terbe shukuru shangalan ba ko zirgo ko zira binagi ya ka ba file minazin ban zir ko harin kan to fa customers
Lati nang ban sous le zo zongo ko live de hilati men supernatural green tea yina ngandu kama tampiel ngap satrana
yisana ti to na ngondo eno no shama
ma ko Michel mbay yisana ti taman nango wata man nango den tuna nan shama na amili ma jili di pan nango do mbala shama do mbala ha
no boao
bu magoro ngozo den sai ya mbe ku chala ya mbe tola chana chacha kan bang do nya di pan nango
tin mo ngela ban zanti la mel shel kar viel pamtene vo shaba mel vo ngel mosra shichir duro tin mo wala pansar ya ni sel nang banana ka bore jidule ba mel solam yel mosra la gba bom ti mo shi zo ya le talgo nyele kan ngna zo be zabre yel mosra nyele ti wala viel pamte ba mel stroke ne ban pa ba sabsar ba do men ba piar jianam kar ba piar la
andula ne jongur le pam o ku le pa mo ko pa ma hal ka jat nege
supernatural green tea igba
Mr. Ibu yana pansur ko nang buna police shemu pamti ala tima be energy drink ko nura ashe o bangla ashilma derinye o live the healer tea no supernatural green tea bambor tea won benyel pike gombla san do kulo ku pharmacy alasa Mohammed be Central Mosque Minaj supermarket e na par enterprise karbeje karayele asia Sirina supermarket Total filling station dembe pass and garden la asia fibe tamal da kurlana ni Mr. Ibu su to be san parla tisa
mba wo gara ki people
no ba hatu to akam sala wo maro nongo
mba bugana hatu do
only
natural
green tea
supernatural green tea the master healer get up
0243 075694 024 333 9530 020 2746141.
All right. Neya saya. Memeya. Tabarakallah man pu yala ya this time around. To pala slogan na maya nye saya. Nye dede nye memeya kana zang shel pakat ni nili. Tin ne ya nan ban tene karapu ne dagban kwama ya ne gbargo fiabga boku wasar mu ko se ya aminin ne ta man nya amrcho jele lama dagban kwama ya ne pa ku to guru ka ko biha ne na yila mi ko to tum se garo zo Bye. Talanya into Puka Paminas in food spices. The Mariscopes Gona and the Supernatural Green Tea. Kapu Kapa Pam Anna Pukusa and the program Masomaya. Tulmak and the Puntigaya. And Alcohol Katamatre interviews. One man, a super great talent of an artist, straight out Italian Dundon Kobe, Katagami Bolon Naskin, or a droplet in a Kabola particular man, heaven fool, Munka to Bonnet to Minu Pohayuta, Yelgola Maya. Believe no running no kuna, but Kasama Kutu Sato, the Bambamu Yan never known the Sabachersa, Katiana Oku Benimanama, at least, Unamal Corsini Yungo, or Tropolina, the Mahula Katian, Katamino Pohayuta Vinyanga, Kajila and Makatan Afania. All right, then Katalin first interview Makatamino Pohayuta, Kamani Yarama. I'm very sure that production team Bumba asking ya, Chakatinia Yatamino to the Indifila and asking.
Yeah.
Yo, superstar, what's up?
Yeah, no, Vishaka, everything is fine. Vishaka, I'm saying,
oh, very well. I don't know if you're that ballet.
Wait, come here. I'm doing it. So, this is the man on the way.
La.
The go to go feel long and I don't know how much I look on it.
Aba. Maya, I Italian man to for the Balaka.
I think my dad will let him be just don't go drama down with the money. Yeah, don't worry.
Lavo.
Yes.
Okay, very quick one. Then I could one and shelter my come on, Italian puni. I am put come on. Oh, family masa the Biola. And I could pull a Ula.
Come on, Italian language. Come on, yellow.
Like I'm more than I could put near by Italian language.
Perfect. Allora, sono Nasking Music Worldwide. Mi saluto tutte le famiglie in Bangana, tutte le fans che mi ascoltano ora. Mi saluto a tutti.
Donc, tu as l'abgara, il y a un peu d'Italie, mais nous, tu as expliqué tout ça. Et nous, on le peut dire comme ça, nous, il faut Nasking, nous, connaissons Banga, nous, il y a un caractère, non. The pie box of Italy.
Very
well. All right, and on a very quick one, Chakatinyanya, I'm sure you are safe because COVID but I'm sure you and the family, so come as a hand are very protected.
Yeah, Lima break like Jella, but I'll try to see. Let me
check a little all right, Nas.
Yeah.
You were your COVID cana, Kayel Yai, yet to data when come and you need families is a hand unprotected. I mean, COVID Marvin Nahaya. The mobile so be the tablet so
yeah, you I'm giving some opportunity share the Bangla the trade in France is that nothing is worldwide.
Okay.
Yamalami COVID now they are today.
Okay.
Some Kabila, because I'm drama album that launched, which included all the famous African artists, including international artists.
Yes.
But not song because of Convict Mazo. I mean, Team is one of the biggest record labels in Europe here and around the world. So, drama launch album Kat no talk. Kat maybe by training to that man from Ghana from the bank.
Wow.
But not breaking some because of Yemen and Akugwanda Shamazo.
Oh, okay. All right, but still, in our plans that maybe COVID man chang na the particular idea of putting up the album worldwide man then I could be in change another project. Yo, you try bear. So you don't call. I don't look at him. You come marry one can join her. Yo, Naskin. Yo, Ken. Wofu. Jakatalan try and get me one for 100 to you. Okay. ko ko ra bi ona ko mo gun te banjira ma ma Italy no wa ko ma de ni chan pa ni di wa Yo, Ken. On a very quick one. Chakatrate ga ka bang na dinchan kana ku bomaya. The minti mabimbe Italy katimino po hayuru tabaka tangal me madana malgadaman. Okay, it's like the one tela bung bago ya. All right, Naskin.
Yeah.
Very great. Tena yara about projects market line man. Tena solo ga for ya. Yeah, little idea of putting out the album worldwide, man. Then I could be any big coffee man, and now you are going to change another project.
Yeah, Trana, and so that you can understand it.
Okay.
The project, my Trana, because of situation, so that drawing the next step. So the next step is my project, my pulling here. The Healing Fall, my featuring Yapuno.
Okay.
And there is a lot of big artists also dropping on the line.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, very well. You just mentioned a particular track, man. Let's talk about it. Heaven Fool. Let track, man. For how long are you let my song? Be uncle be Italy, man. Ada yille.
Oh, Heaven Fall, that some of the project Mapuni.
Okay.
And based on time man run we are a very serious, high working team music worldwide. So tonight and I think it shows, you know, it's part of the big boys that we keep now. And we are dropping it very soon. We're going to drop Kanda.
And you're able to get the Yapuno on that particular song, man. What I can't in the Yapuno on the name. Because it's another hot kick of a rapper in Ghana.
Yeah, mommy, Yapuno was cannot meet mine personally in Italy here because of my European tour.
Oh, okay.
So many Ghana artists, remember less of all of them, and European tour. We are very good friends. So it was a project I and Yapuno for a future tour, so that we connected to because he would like me and him to be on stage.
Oh, okay.
And that's why the idea come out from that.
Wow, very well. Let particular I'm sure the recorded in Italy. What about the video? They were in Italy.
Come on, the video.
Video Sheldon Kumama, I haven't full my video ma. Italy can be Ghana be another where.
Yeah, the video Maramala, two parts of Italy, one of the historic place, because other part Maramala, Rome, which is a Colosseum. So can hear one of the famous places in the world.
Okay.
And the second one in southern Italy, which is Palermo, the Newman Palace, the historical place.
Oh, okay.
And we really spend thousands of euros to make this video come true. Because of situation, Madradi to Larpam. But thing in Roshaban, they're able to give us that consideration and we're able to do the video.
Wow, that's very brilliant. The Chanfe Yalanga. But I'm sure video man Mashama. Yapuno Raka Italika video man.
Yapuno that kind of because of the convict Mazo. Video was shoot away, Ghana was locked down, the airlines are not flying.
Yeah, of course.
And the funds was very important to the extent that we can't disappoint them without letting them know what exactly Naskin Music Worldwide with the managing team is doing.
Exactly.
So that's why we're able to put all at cost to make sure the video come out and
oh, okay. Oh, all right. Another one. So you to Ambala. Coca-Cola ya. Italy wa. Coca-Cola. You go to your place and that. Yes, you can take a car on the Dinchan Kana Kuguma on NTV and to meet my people and you, the Tamangunian Naskin, Mampuyala, you are drop like in the couple of particular Yilaman, Heaven Fu, Carafici Yapuno, Ubiela, Italy, but Yilama Catabona to drop us all, Carcumal Bucata to Minu Pohayu, Tabacatania, and at least Yilama won't be in the sham, don't know the sham. Okay, Tangal Mehana Kumalga, the Machanya, all right, Naskin.
Yeah,
all right, very well. We're still talking about the video. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I mean,
great. Then I hear a video ma yetwa. Video ma, I don't know explain up to ma as to video ma nang ma shanka yapuno kanma. I'm sure coffee man that halaka yapuno to be video ma puno.
Yeah. Convict man cheka yapuno parenema ayego because it was Yapono Mama Daniel and also he was trying to be inside the video because he knew the kind of thing we are bringing out.
Okay.
But based on airline flyer, so we cannot fly Yapono to here.
Okay.
And to Mirabo Bonnet is something which is not be credible.
Okay.
So they check Yapono Kanma.
Oh, okay. But still, it's very quality video. Director Somumba video ma Ghanaian, you be Italian, be American, or Yapono, you know. Yo, Naskin. Naskin. Oh, for all right. Another one. The waterman in Yanya. Tunko pick some last 2-3 words from Naskin. Then today, cutting your video mataya. The man that tangle me my waterman that was Saturday. The Gadamama Yaya. But we are still trying to see. I mean, Italian Wama. Kazuela Binimani. So Zuema she. Lama de dwell hard and tena Ducati kula biane. All right. Chatanya Tumbumba Wanama. All right, Naskin.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that was clear. Chakatanya social media handles ma. If people want to link up on the Naskin music worldwide, ma ula kabiyen name the kabiyen mbunya be ayila ma yakatinya.
Yeah, Mami, Naskin music worldwide. Tiya and watch all the social media. Anywhere I could make Naskin music worldwide, okay. You will get us. I could make Naskin. They can make Naskin music worldwide. They shaka me in Yemena. They are professional artists, international artists. So everywhere we are.
Okay.
That is what. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you know Naskin on social media.
Naskin, I could make Naskin to everywhere, okay. Everywhere. Whether say YouTube, okay. Facebook, Instagram, whatever, Naskin, or maybe Spotify, Amazon, I could make Naskin. You get us.
All right. What about the project after COVID, man? I mean, you have collect artists here, Bangwakong Pam. Arati here, man, Abana Europe tour, and Lenatoma. You are thinking of picking artists Tamale here. I mean, Basaha, Kabasaha, Kana, Italy, Kalala concert, Martin. I don't know, Lella Plan, Biane.
The Queen and then and through that plan, so we started featuring the brothers, and some of the tracks are very crazy. And it's also mentioned the top artists, we are coming up. Okay. The mission shall not push it, I shall then put them already, but probably is because the meaning of those tracks was the one that is not an okay. So can I keep us those tracks to see the plan before we start to release those tracks. Okay. So very soon, Transman will some big news.
Very well. But I'm in the one in Yelasham.
Yeah.
Pamaya, ante some you shall be Kanama Toma. Can you be Tulia?
Yeah. Oh, wait, Mammy, you say, Manori and Castia, Cadrava, Canora.
You like one Yerma, I'm a million trend and will trend worldwide. Abaya.
Trading deal all come here.
To let come one Yerma, Katamale, what was that category? And Lerma, Kamani, you've missed a whole lot of people. Niba Labe Banam, who can I mind, Kanato Puba. I mean, just a few people that you want to say hi to.
Come on, artists, 6 artists.
Okay.
And then come on, officials. Mommy, sing on the beach, how much? What on it to do work? Come on, come on, in North Ghana.
Yeah.
And one they mention Ghana, you can't go without us.
Of course.
So people want to take Ghana with the big guns.
Okay.
To show the whole world that yes, all the big boy they are seeing from there.
Yeah.
And it's a reality.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's very well. Antopu nearby tell us. I mean, you've been away for some time now. Just a shout outs to some people home.
Yeah, I'm Latin manager, Mr. Gafar.
Yes.
Mr. Gaff.
Yeah, see
and then Kazan Palmati for come, including your mama G-Face.
Papaya.
And then the non-kura that wants the non-kura, that's Panama.
All right.
They won't come, you know, nothing is worldwide.
All right.
It's happening in the so he needs a lot of support and needs help, especially the media.
Very well.
Media, you really saw nothing is worldwide come.
Okay.
And then we appreciated that. Yeah. We'll have more to say tomorrow. Yeah.
Very well. All right, thank you so much, bro. I number, I ain't chopping the Italian. What I yell.
Italian Baba Nyela Ciao.
Ciao.
Chividiama Dopo. Ciao Nyama Kamane. That was Baba. But Nibon and Italian Belezam Panyela Kamane Sono Naski music worldwide.
Okay.
Mi saluta tutti le famiglie in Ghana.
Okay.
E tutte. Yes. Nyela Pasha Talkan Zambana Oma.
Lao.
Never.
Kabyala, oh, Mara Barpam. The Mala Uruswale.
That is it.
All right, thank you so much. We're most grateful to Puyaka Papam Antonio Saha Katamina Pohayutama. But I promise you this time around, the particular video chatting and drop next moment. The Nyela daytime play on our TV network, ma. So you always hook up, ma. Arrange Italian time every day from 4 to 5 p.m. North East Mazo. This particular song chatting and dropping next month. Then you Heaven Full featuring Yapuno Nasken. Then you're Thank you so much, bro. We appreciate it.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, a whole lot. Chakanzen to Kapuka Panaskin, Min fan base Mazahan and Bayin to Aratuma, Abdul Gafam Balama, Kaletega Kabana Kamania, Unyalamu Yinila, but Kalebe, Italy. Yes, Italian Katamiro Pohayuta Maya, your Dropla Yila Kabola and Heaven Fu, Ten Dropla particular Yila Data and Kalabana, T Labna, Mampo Yala Yamal, another guest of artists Kabakana Katapahayan Utavia, then Chankana Kukuma. But first, we're taking Heaven Fu, Nasken featuring Yapunu.
I've been falling, 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 me and you, I've been falling, me and you, nobody know, yeah. Nobody know how far, maybe your love gonna take me. I've been falling, me and you. I've been falling, me and you. Nobody know how far, baby, your love gonna take me. I've been falling, me and you. Every day and a boom pie. Let me do me who be that. Me who me shall be that. And you live, and you live. And you live. We buy. Yeah, although the major said that it's hash, and I do not make money match. Your kind of man say, do I not do I make kind news some crunchy? The book with this, and I bet you 2 ways, and bet you to debate, I maybe push you with late. You got chilly with space, and I said, Jock Cobby, and I do what better, and I'm a no buffet. I've been falling, me and you. I've been falling, me and you.
Yes, sire, me. Yes, sire. But Sarman and the Kayana me. Okay, yet this time around, slogan the Mapamia, Catinilia, me, Catinilia, yes, Tindilia, okay, then Characana Kogoma, and as food spices, and Tepa Marie Stops Ghana, the supernatural green tea, Ntala from the beginning, my Yazumo, full pack house, then Characatanalia. All right, great talent of an artist, kind of 2 from K-Town Music. Oil money deal Oma can never be full meaning ya. We'll drop like a couple of particular one anthem and we're picking up tonight. Alright, superstar, one of my own character. So what am I?
Now you're gonna laugh again.
I laugh again. Alright. Deal.
Mr. Trina.
Deal what they do.
Deal what they do. Deal like a bunu deal.
Oh, okay, Dila. Dila.
Like the zoro da na bela tena kon fa na ka te bor ko habi tra.
Okay. Oh dila mu dila.
So mo ko hare eren.
Okay. All right. Very well. O den ka san te mali dia. Dia. Okay. Superstar. Na puro artist ba, na puro manager abi ko be kama abi no kumbila tawa.
Ya man na puro song na recently sinja.
Okay, wala song da.
Wono ko song na be shakam pu.
Okay.
Na puro ko nyam be shakam kama like tien na be shao. Kan leader support be shapulu. Ko tintu timuni an nyimu en na titi.
Les raisons sont veillées là. Na puro linya buyi. Ana ko so aka isi ko so aka lu. Go me o ya cha twa ya la. Aku tro jima. Na ga ka te mandre. No puro mi aku zu nyanga. Bi aku no karba ya to. Te pasi ka oncherwa atu ku chi. Na go mala ami boli nya wi ndwele. Oku ya la le woi. I was on this time when I was out. All right. Dear, are you mangling yala?
You mangling yala
Dauda Yakub.
Yes.
Okay. Phone kaina.
Mbela kunya everything ban.
Kunya fla. Kula kunya fla. Yohane swell was on. Okay.
Bisco generation.
Very well.
Malaga.
Oh, impression mane. Kunya fla. To home by Beni. Because the pan of the columns of Vida Togama. But I talk about you.
Yeah, my mama kunya face. My mama ga pa kunya. Kunya vle bia. So
correct. All right. Very well. Roughly, I started the year. And how many years?
Yes, not really long the year.
Okay.
Because 2012 is as I'm big.
Okay.
By that time, I done a tenant animal babu humble.
Okay.
Travel born a kamati, among like a swing.
Okay.
So that to got to be Mirana like nearby 90.
Okay.
So got party Namaka, didn't car, obtain from home or Lavacra or Lamson.
All right.
So on Lavacra or Lamson.
Okay.
Carpagana Kumpong Padam. And none Nimuanzang Mesha comes out laps in Ilama because now Pundargam Ilama bouncing.
Okay.
So Ilama can now stand in Jam.
Okay.
None only can you have the Chishaman. Now you cook the Nera Danshell be shading and songs Mavidi and songs Tangbanoza.
Okay. So I'm in the Landman in a group ma and let him come roughly come on your own car in the group ma.
Like don't pan mon conco be na pan single pa un conco yila na yala kan tambashana moyen pa hay four
songs
moyen pa four un conco no pa tambashana
okay. All right. Apart from yila moma, apart from moma anthem moma, you didn't call that baliha karkonon come a popular song shall release before this one.
Yeah, into trapping me you shake a boy in the party. Granya un conco din.
Very well.
So ka bro majority leader.
Okay.
Urawo makena IGS be yilma pun pam karton lor zahn kama wumbo.
Okay.
So not you know you come shabaka tum num tumbanur. So na you 1 naira.
Okay.
No wish child.
Wow.
Razan ba IGS in pahil zo.
Okay.
It's a ladun man the video ma pun bagat pulling p. Because I have time what ya.
Oh, okay. So that fight ma original song. But kape no another version.
Remix.
Okay, and that one which shall mean
1 naira.
Okay, very well. But he recorded, we never recorded. The Naya video man. All right. Oh, don't want any more bien. Jama ni more superstar nyao. Okay, but kunyo vulka yina. Very well. I am not real name yala. Dauda Yakubu. All right. Mbora manetena yala that particular yina ma anthem ma. The title of anthem.
The title of anthem.
Mula soka bole la.
It's a hack anthem. Come my ladder anthem.
Okay.
Come on, Ghana national anthem.
Okay.
Like respect Bilpam.
Very well.
Atum national anthem. National anthem. You win your Ghana Burchin.
Okay.
The Burchin that come I be sharp. No can you get
Anna do
na pasang mani muzasa. And can you like anthem man in junction.
Okay.
So katakana miba kama like tankam na anthem major kama yerna ni artist man. So jonan bama anthem. Like they to ko kwa.
Kaya
So kamba no this time na ka jamalan kanima ni.
Full dedication
baba. Jona pa Abazan as in lapsna.
Okay.
We chercher tin non mapul.
Wow.
So na chika pamma ko zan buzo ba ta wa kan zan antematre.
Very well.
Because antemanya la bin si pa.
Pam.
Limbi le kamaza.
No, come how society shall be kuma labo own anthem apart from national nations meaning in big countries ma kuma la lo ni ko shaba kuma association kama ba anthem. How we know pan to ka anthem be should not pay attention to culture the year na the punwa. So that's a very great one. All right, more than today la video ma to ko ngala anthem ma bien fukat ko ngala kallam na katimene mdl katapo hayu ta katinyanya da particular yilama anye nyale shekulu be din ka borle wala ka yen hatinya so ne chan kanta den chan kana ko mo wane tv min dl po hayu ta watin drop la anthem. We'll be right back.
Get down music. It's there. Before me, I'll get down music. Morna biduga. That be my new time. It is 5 on them. Grrr, be the anthem. Morna biduga. That be my new time. It is 5 on them. Grrr, be the anthem. Morna biduga. That be my new time. Be my new time. It is 5 on them. Grrr, be the anthem. Murna biduga, that be my new time. Be my new time. That's 5 on them. Be the anthem. Jungula sai mirka jeno buwa ka te du duna to yom pumbila zombela kan zango tawle manga to sungo mu chama kambila Murna biduga that be my new time. That's 5 on them. Be the anthem. Murna biduga, that be my new time. That's 5 on them. Be the anthem. Now I'm going to Sangarabi and Sabla, your party, Abunya Shelman Kaviara, Anka Sheliman Kabara.
Alright, baby, yes, I split. Den charka ko gumaya mampo yala ya mimban tulle po hayo de tabangore ye deal ka drop anthem zanta straight out of Cape Town. Yes, no kunya vulu superstar nyo ya ko drop yila ka bolle la particular yila ngoma na anthem del ka zanta ma ya. Yes, te ko mele okay, chakana kana katinyanya. Yila ngoma video mule ngale video da ka ngoma.
Te ko la production de Tanas.
Okay,
Tanas nyo yina te shoot video.
Okay, very well. Very well.
Tanas maruma.
Big ups to you, engineer mule
and Dr. Fiza.
Dr. Fiza. All right, another one. BTB. Okay, no one in Yanya. I meet you, boy, you know, on a very quick one. Number shall be not to tell us only.
Like, you know, I'm going to
I need to WhatsApp be number shall I need to call it. Send it. I'll be link mark.
I am calling number shake to your link, Mamma. The 024.
Okay.
0122.
Okay.
610.
Okay.
024.
Okay.
0122 610.
Very well.
So I could call them into text a link mark. I was 20 years. It's a session that you want to put your be audio mark audio.
Okay.
The audio mark. I could audio mark the top of town here. I don't care. I got the space. I don't care town. I know I care town here. I can't care space. I don't town. I don't care town. Don't blame space.
Okay.
I could can
Alright, that's very great. Alright, hand number the money in Tommy, and you could limit this screen as or nature can producer could place numbers on the screen so that I could highlight number when sending it a matter, even send a link matter. I don't know audio mark be YouTube, be Instagram. Alright.
I would have a key town here.
Very well.
Alright,
on a very quick one, you plan the show be concert, be even shout, come on in launch, be even shout, team, I plan the link.
And Pambuana could be a shower on the town.
Okay.
But the one at the album.
Okay.
So didn't go Bizarre by Tavna to Zang the Hanke Papa, Yaran to the junction.
Okay.
So Benavid Zirfi down by Bena Biara shawara na tawna. Baba shawara na. Taban tin zan son.
Lala nyale da ban pa me yen bia anyeti ya na belbel min nam de polo. Bon ko be baba pulu ma na won ga Friday nin ka any concrete information gina as to album be concept be show ki no just hook up ka te check a fan base ma bang anan ready shamia. On a very quick one check ta ko yila ma ya antema ni palala a fan base ma ben lerma ñu xala so ci rawo so mi mara to mar par ni pulu pam. Yang mana mar par ni pulu pam bi yen ni chen shere. To abang le ko chela mi now. All right, let's flow. Antema check the woman le bien let's go.
Murna bi debuga. That be my new theme.
Correct.
It is fire upon them. Krrr be the anthem.
Kaya.
Murna be debuga.
Kaya.
That be my new theme. It is fire upon them. Krrr be the anthem.
Straight.
Oh.
Kaya. Alright.
So bubu biarma. The nang sham nyendin tehama. Kan yizia ka jajima on way. The diema Omar Pakpes. Ka jenil ko yulang pangsel ka yu donguna boka jungula. Sa yimir ka jeno buwa ka ketu donguna to yom fumbela. Nzombala kan zang otable manga to zungo nche makpambela.
Koyo. Wow, Zombala kan zang otable manga.
Zungo ko nche makpambela.
Oh, okay, tout bon. Alright, Chakantega Gaba, the Tinchalkana Kubumaya, Tmindial Pohanyori Taba, or you shall own one antema, then cut to drop it. Yes, Tima Zaha, no, email artist, Ovemaya, Mami Mala Height, Kabodi Mala Biere, Akunan Karambano, we use some free. Now the email about Pulichagis do there. More than bit money. This are your bass bar to go and another action show. My more than be so cool, Kumaya. So I've still couldn't take Chauya. Alright, team management ma I mean Baku take care of you ma Bunir Bala, Bunir Bangumi, like Mumun Kano to Kutigi, come on, like three.
Like this young first of all, no one says so you're Pilu DJ Parada, the majority leader.
Bosu
Jima headed when you had Pams and chanted Benmapulu.
Okay.
So on to Tamoyala. Zana Poro Song, Kamazan, majority leader. I cannot tell the team Mapune near my Yaya. My German SKB team Mapune. Or Tabra team Mark at Chen Younger Pump. Actually, I let him Biani, Yashi Numbiani, Bumbun Numbiani, Brankin Nama, Starboy, Nawan Nama, Zabene. Junior Macasio, Yama Yaya, Opana, Uzo, a Pamian Calvaza,
Mazo Kayate, no Shua, no Nimashua could come to
Futina Land, I shall be an nobody we are conquered. Then Diasuni, Bankan, now the woman chair. Mazo, to remind you, them Diasuni, Nabankan, Babankan, Abankan, Nadandas,
Bankatis and Chaps.
I'm a man, face, Ante Lucy. All right, Yaya.
Fumukunya Villemasa.
And to Hakatele, to Kupula Kuya Vizasa.
Very well.
When comes as I know the monitor of distant young.
Okay.
It's a Kuya Tangban Kayina.
Yeah.
You don't bone Yakub Dauda, Mima dear, Murna Bidoga.
Very well.
Alright,
to get the answer. Can I chop the deal? I'm on Poyala, one program, Pakama, the Pakama Pan. So to try your money to Yanya, don't squeeze the sham, Kasokamaza Hakuya, some period of minutes. A program as a Habano for Yalagaya. There's all the chunk and Poyala Yamala, another artist, Kabakana too. Alright, this time around, Lotana Balama, More Music Empire. Then cut the coverage, Young Bull and the Tema, Young Bull, no one is zero. Artist no pasandra artist no kasandra erin politician so chaka young bull pela katiya bara mi bana ko na sani a de chanka tanga de chanka na ko ma on TV next ma yela Liltana yes Fernando young bull le lamna. Alright, neya saya maybe ya tabar Tabarakallah. All right. Nupuka Pamina Zen Food Spices, Ntapa Marie Stopes Ghana, Ntapa Supernatural Green Tea, Manyala Yabanda Manyabambe Azikiti Mapunuka Programa Kadakanama. A full pack entertainment show today. From the beginning, Maya, Tukupola Lala Alleged Audio Lake, Fansagadam the Balen the Pama, Munbe Kamuna, one day Okude, Katitera Neti Yatargaya, but Intramatabaya Pama Solo, Karporna will come and Fansagadam Bala because evidence ma yina pam har won no mama tele minu po hayu taba kan baga ala kawle ina won something ye pa on Tuesday on the show in Zangla de la Nepia ka video ma min audio no ma ban shaka ma ha ka timele program no ya ka li ban ya ma la ka sa tele bi ka sa sele ya ka ti cha min na won. All right, and another one at min asking for how you la taba kana take K-Town music the deal anthem. All right, this time around they come with a great talent of an artist rapper Nyoya Lil Tana straight out of More Empire Music in collaboration with Young Bull Entertainment. All right, come here, rapper Sonoya, Kolenya rapper Kobele, so I could know better. Oh, hey, for now, Boashi. Young Bull fans, Baza, and me a table come on this time around. Panera Kanafe Yanga, I support to Kana Chamfe Yanga Pam. There's no sign of artists, Cassandra politicians, Cassandra football. The Game Boys. No sign of Game Boys, the politicians. The artists one of me sign so one politicians one no sign come on 4v5 from Balama. Then the Game Boys, Mukubaraka Chamfe Yanga, I am Biela under him ya. I could throw the Kagi. Yes, Lutana. I'm sure I got the name right.
Militana.
Yeah, man. So what be the thing? Militana.
Yeah, Militana, like something of a militant. Like,
oh, okay, militants.
Yeah. Like
okay.
A militant in the rap industry. You know, rap man, I could design a militant.
Okay.
It doesn't sound good. So you have to blend it with something and call it Militana. So that's how the name came about. Yeah. I'm born and bred in Tamale.
Really?
Yeah.
So I don't go jump on share. Come on in US. We are gonna
not really, but
because passport.
And my bishop I'm not really. Put in the summer back.
You fly.
It's
anyway, that's very great. It's the first time I'm in Blackwood for land showman for that show that I mean, you came up on stage and you were very good on the mic. I mean, you were able to rap and people felt it.
Yeah.
Have you been rapping for long?
Oh, I've been rapping for quite a while now. Started music way back in like 2016 or 2015 thereabout.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's been a while in the industry.
But no matter I take them for fun, like you're just around when you feel like rapping.
No, like I mean, I've got like a lot of stuff going on right now.
Okay.
Yeah,
of course.
So yeah, man, we should come out to put the whole focus on the music industry. Yeah, but till that is done,
okay.
Just to keep it relevant.
No one knows me. Okay, man, let them fight, man. People won't understand what you get for him.
Yeah,
so
man.
Just a free flow, some beautiful continue.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Excuse my charisma, I'm just here to please the listener. Is the one you know is sicker than the ace effect of blister.
I might come
on. Something ridiculous to make the ladies feel the hit. So when we on the mic, I know you feeling it. Militana X for the year, we killing it. Rap battle, rap cypher, and we winning it. King of the mic, not just saying, and we proving it. No rapper go free to try us for here. Rap controllers, we holding the steer. What you go show, what you go talk, it be swag, style, rhyme over the world. This my rap game, I ain't fucking joking, nigga. Any motherfucker rapper come up on my trigger, I'm the realest in the game. I ain't gonna prove a nigga. I've been doing this back and forth, and I know you all of it. I'm the king of the rap, king of the mic, king of the street. Give me the beat, I'm killing the bitch, feeling the heat. This be real, this be hot, I'm killing the boss. Fuck the boys, fuck the noise, I'm the boss. You gotta take a cool nigga, gotta take it down. Take your time, take a cool, take it slow.
Superstar, maybe alright, Militana is in the building. Let's go another one.
Yeah.
Let me see. I'm not sure you would be that romantic. Come on, laugh song, we rap song that career about laugh.
Laugh song. You know, mommy, like everything with like the right kind of voice or kind of flow you put into it. Particular John laugh, but that's how I'm going to sweep the style.
So have you got any song? Can you rap? Can you laugh?
Laugh song, like we hear the like to promote a video.
No, bad
yeah, man. Aside the bad game, not really. I've not worked on something like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No matter how you laugh, no hard voice, man.
Oh, no, don't fall apart. Not for
I was not
not for them to be so well for not Biso.
Mona Lisa, you.
No, I'm just borrow you.
All right. Are you in any way related to Luchimo?
Luchimo. Luchimo, yeah. Like not blood related, but we grew up as kids together.
Wow.
Yeah, since from day one.
Okay.
A big homie.
But structure-wise, I mean, even facially, you seem to look alike.
Yeah. Man, I could go in that young pair.
Okay.
So, yeah, when come obeying since from day one. So Luchimo is my day one nigga.
Very well.
Brother from another brother.
Okay.
Nigga
That's very
Luchimo.
good. Let me know, please.
Yeah. No, they will not. Man, Luchimo no ban passion, man. Oi.
Let's look at the song Bad Girl. Yeah. Personal experience in Yalibi, you just looking around and you decided to do a song.
Something just looking around.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not like a personal experience. It's just about what's happening in the society.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we decided to put it together to form a song.
Okay. Very well. Like and
engineer. Flames on the beat.
Yeah,
engineer.
Okay, that's very good. Video man.
Labo directed TMB studio.
Oh, okay. All right. Let me just excuse you for a minute. Catch a drop a little video, ma. We're just gonna get visuals of that particular song, ma. It started Bad Girl, Melitana featuring Fadlan the Young Bull, Straight Outta, More Empire Music in collaboration with Young Bull Entertainment. All right, then drop a little particular year, ma. We'll right back after this.
Flames on the beat.
Shield. And a joking see, I don't tire. See, town Militana. See, I don't tire with your play. Baby girl, tell me where you they want it. Hey, I'll be riding on your body. I give you all my money. You sweet past the honey, oh. Hey, shake the long thing you want to. Tell me what you need, oh. I give it to you, baby, oh. So come ride for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, wreck it for me, shake it for me. Come ride for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, wreck it for me, shake it for me. Come ride for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, wreck it for me, shake it for me. Come, baby, now me be the done. See town militant and be the run that town. All I who know bad girls make you bounce along. All of them mercy, this girl bad. Bad girl from long time, she no love chat. She come right for the damn know say she bad. She put it in her mouth and a little bit of tongue. Go down, baby girl, go low. I said go down, baby girl, go low. The way you whine for it and the way you shake for it, make you come right on me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Tuck it for me, wreck it for me, shake it for me. Come right for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Tuck it for me, wreck it for me, shake it for me. Come right for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Tuck it for me, wreck it for me, shake it for me. Come right for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Tuck it for me, wreck it for me, shake it for me. Come right for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Tuck it for me, wreck it for me, shake it for me. And the cabo bonda, sit down, militana. Taraka yibora, yalla makamanta. Abba me my yon, sister, abba bang my yon.
Alright, the Saya Militana, More Empire Music in collaboration with Young Bull Entertainment, presenting Bad Girl. Falan pasaya pam. Ni mwaka ya hewa. Lyrics man, more than she part. Those a few days, months ago. For now, rather she part. But all lyrics ma around this time, boy. Hey, Ahmed. BMCR, I'm yel mo Falan follow pa. No mama could be interview up with Dodge. Katre explain ya la bi ma wula karan. So ma ju wahala pam. Oh, hello ra your school fees. Ka kuno na ma superstar. Ka chabra sabre. Yo by no try tell her. You find boy we sabi superstar. Somebody struggle for woman you just can't take the game like that.
That's no chill. But I know she was say young people.
Hey.
They are underground issues.
Because if you're your guy.
No, like I know say no.
You don't want that cancel your contract. Boy, I don't do what the artist want for. Move for your artist manager.
Wow. I share artist manager. And the manager one. Young Bull, bring up.
What your real name?
My real name is Mubarak. Yeah.
So Zobiolak Abakubi.
Yeah.
Really?
Right in the heart of Z-Town.
Okay. Oh, you want to put a 2 at Tamaga, let's look at the song. I mean, Bad Girl.
Bad girl.
On that easy way, man, Chakatinye flew on it. Just some briefly before Katananya.
Something like this is how it goes.
Okay.
Manaka Bonda, Z-Town Militana. Laraka Yibora, Yelama Kamanta, Abba Mima Yo, Sister Abba Bama Yo, Young and Winnie Hitmaker, yes, man, Bala, fresh boy, nice. Dope boy clean, run on another level. I they smell nice. I they smell pep. Say now me be the pep. Looking at my watch, me they talk money. Money there I get. Baby girl forget and come wine pan me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, work it for me, shake it for me. Yeah, man, and I'm sure can tell that. Straight, man.
Militana in the building. Yes. Bad girl, them. Let us particular song to drop more. Yeah. No even the bad girl. We're just looking around to see on social media handles, man, which one we can hook up and get the song, man. Then we didn't kind of very active.
Yeah. I'm on YouTube. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, ODO Militana.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm on Facebook too.
Very well.
Audio Mac, Z-Town, Obio Militana.
Okay.
Yeah. Then on Facebook, it's the same Z-Town, Obio Militana too.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now I wanted to drop in numbers to see maybe sharing the link or sharing Gila and Mabi rap song, Shanama freestyle, but I don't know if you were able to get a number of them.
Yeah. You can WhatsApp me on 024 29 170.
Okay.
Yeah.
024
29 170.
All right, that's very good. WhatsApp here, man.
Yeah.
No, girls are not supposed to call. I mean, you are not even calling, just say hi. You know what I mean?
Something like that. You just WhatsApp then tell me you want the song that I give it to you.
Yeah, that's it. It ends there.
No need for conversation.
But the boys will no call.
No, like this one, I know we call matter. Whether boys or girls, maybe you call then just WhatsApp, let's give you the song and keep moving.
Alright, yes, Mampo Yala Yesu Muna Pack House Catamalia, Militana, more Empire Music. Ado Luchmo Obi around. Is he around?
Luchmo is around.
He's around.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But what happened? You are just giving up on music like that. I mean, a great rapper like that, man. Cashman can
No, Cashman can. But
in
another industry, man, he's bouncing back stronger than ever.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that would be very great. How about Luchmo? This is it as well. Take care, is it? I mean, that's okay. Let's look at you. I mean, you're around great people already. I know very close to Fadlan.
Yeah.
What's the relationship?
Fadlan. Fadlan, very close.
Yeah.
Like he's the closest person I am in the industry with.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And you guys are just joking around.
That way, man. Like brotherly something like that.
Okay. Yeah. But is it because Lela Wiman Chaka Apuru on the song or?
No. Mami Fadlan is a versatile artist, like great talent.
Okay.
Just put him on anything, and he's going to kill it.
Of course.
So like, you know, I was like, I don't see anyone better to do this verse for me than Young Bull himself.
Yeah,
King Bull.
All right. So Tima, I mean, is there someone managing it or just you put up things to
right
record,
now,
make videos?
We put up things to bring something to the fans. Yeah. Besides that, like no, like the good point is like no manager. There's no one like that. On a Z-Town crew, man, who support and kind of thing going.
But for now, no
No, they train sign la contract. So who kill that man?
But this is the front money behind bar. We sign a contract. A front money.
Something man you need big man.
Can you be by? All right, check and take a cab on the Pincher Kana Kubomaya. Yes, Menazin Food Spices and the Palmary Stoops Ghana, the supernatural green tea, Vanamza Hani Bambi, Arziki Mapuna program, Kanama, Umborman and Tega Cabona, Kamanita Salana Punya Denia, Zuzu representing GMB 2020, Northern Region Balama, Netitema and Piano and Sanya particular contest, final ma, and Aman Lutumbo Pomna Pamanga, Catapipom Blomako tea, Lelakanes most beautiful Maya, Nidi Kununka Malisha Nati, be a born na akuson team with either mobile money, be a contribution shall not son team. And this time around, from an in-house, very close to organizers, from an in-house person, competition man to be between Zuzu, meaning Accra girl man, now competition man to be between Masun. And the best way we can do is that performance-wise, I'm very sure that on any day, Zuzu need to outweigh girl man on performance, but much of judges my Germany, the best they can do is vote to mad and then higher. But Kabayan no sham so to Tomatama, Zusumunde the performer at her best, Katabantama to vote. So simple dinner Kamal any contribution to support that particular initiative Maya and to send Amuwa number 0240 770 777. Once again, 0240 770 777. All right, Zuzu number Mambalamaya. All right, Tesahama Paya, Mborman Walawazi collection inside Naya Sankara Walawazi. Thank you so much. Empoya Pam, never Moko package Makara design that to Maya. Thank you so much. Lalanya Kambon Puabe, Safulugu. All right, you Yilim Balama, Mabim Balama, Biniman Malpoteka, Kubi Palaman, before Kana Pagi, Safulugu, Samaya, Wabi, thank you so much. Walawazi collection inside Naya Sankara. The team Mazan had representing inside Accra. God willing, the donor can now be some Kangasabi Accra to support Suzu in GMB Maya. All right, Jakalabna Katama Militana, Katabakal Via. On a very quick one. I mean, there's a Kaman Nazampai just around either the industry or some two people. I mean,
yeah, right now, man, there's nothing much to see in Queen Yola. Like a very big thank you to everyone that believed in the talent from day one.
Yeah.
And I want to tell them to keep supporting.
Superstar.
Z-Town Militana is out and we are here to play, man.
Yeah.
Remember we say I'm a joke and tell that and we are come for lack of the wall of the place.
Yeah.
I want to say a very big thank you to the Z-Town crew, Rich Mo, Young Bull, Farhan, everyone supporting.
The whole crew.
The whole crew supporting the talent. God bless you all.
But why change my now I didn't need to worry about. All right, thank you so much for coming. Yeah. Like he said, Martin Puka Pango Kabza Hagba program. Yes, the Luchimo Mamma, the team Maza Farlan, the Sakasaka Yermaza Haya, Farlan, the Pusu Kamazahan by Yindi. I mean, the young pool fans, far and near Ankara. I mean, Karga Dry no should remind of a number. Oh, yes, that mama didn't cut another number, but I'm sure that will fix another day for that particular show. Sunday catch some Bogama Biane. When? Okay, tomorrow, good people of Upper East Region in South Boga, we're hitting you up. There's a pool party. Come join. Yes. Oh, Ankara, Bolga. Piman Borshe. Bolga, Biane. Ankara, me too much. All right, whichever it is, we wish you the very best of luck. But the Tega Carbon come tomorrow, God willing, Fernando will be coming to you inside Upper East Virginia. The Yarmasa Hatumpo Capasso Kamazahan by Yindi, Maristo's Ghana, and Tepamina Food Spices, the Supernatural Green Tea, and Tepake Town Music. The Yarmasa Hanan by Yindi. All right, Abigail MFAS, always in charge of the camera. Sadek Nila Mubi, MC Yarma support the program. Thank you so much. Sadek Ahmed is equally supporting the program. Afeko Joe Barton is the CEO of AKB Multimedia. Mutari Bebu heavily supported us. God bless you all. Abigail MFA, okay, me that's a Dia. I mean, General Manager, Mr. Enoch, Sister Sofo Hisan, Wari Senior Programs Manager, all I mean, so come as I had NTV. All right, marhaba. Marhaba. Nandambi yesal makabam wakar koga in the Johnson Kanusa Pangata, Madri Kujel come, Yazan Yum Kasata, Kuluko, Lanko, Kuman Panga, Muhammad Hafiz the Trender. We out. Bye bye. Salam.